Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to block someone on the Tinder app, so let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, let's cover how to block someone directly from your swipe tab. When you come across a profile that you'd like to block while swiping through potential matches, you'll notice an arrow pointing upward on their profile. Go ahead and click on that arrow to reveal more options about this person's profile. This will expand their profile information and give you access to additional controls. Once the profile expands, scroll down through the available options until you find the block button. This option is typically located further down the screen, so make sure to scroll all the way through until you see it. When you locate it, simply click on block. This action is important because it ensures that this person won't be able to see your profile anymore and you won't encounter them again while swiping. After clicking block, a confirmation message will appear on your screen asking if you're sure about this decision. This is Tinder's way of making sure you don't accidentally block someone. Just go ahead and click yes block to confirm your choice. This will immediately remove that person from your feed and prevent any future interactions with them. Now, if you want to block someone who's already in your matches, the process is slightly different but equally straightforward. On the bottom navigation bar of your screen, click on the chat icon. This will take you to your messages and show you all of your current matches and conversations. From here, you can manage your existing connections more effectively. Next, scroll through your match list and click on the person you want to block. This will open up your conversation thread with them and display their profile information at the top of the screen. You'll need to access their profile settings to proceed with blocking them. Look at the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see 3 dots. This is the menu icon that gives you access to various profile options. Click on these 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu with several actions you can take regarding this match. From the drop-down menu that appears, locate and click on the block option. This allows you to remove this person from your matches and prevent them from contacting you or viewing your profile any further. It's an effective way to manage unwanted connections. Just like before, a confirmation message will appear asking you to verify your decision. Click yes block to finalize the action, and that's it. You've successfully blocked someone from your Tinder matches and they'll no longer be able to interact with you on the platform. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.